Okay, so I had to throw this clip in as a part of the video, okay? So I got this mail from somebody very special, my first, because I'm going to call her my first because she's the first person that gave me friend mail, and I'm so happy. And when I got my mail, I was just like, you just got some mail. You just got some mail. Wonder who it's from. It's from MzTee, and she is so nice. She always comments. She always makes me feel so good. I love her videos. I don't know if she got a lot of followers, so if you're not following her, her name is MzTee. MzTee. But yeah, and you can just look at my comments. She always support. Like, so I'm gonna open this up with you guys. I don't even have something to open this up with. And I cannot wait to send her gifts because it's fun and I know she's gonna like it. Ooh. Okay. Honey, she knew I wanted a dove. Okay? Yes. Keep my hands hydrated. I need these all the time. Period. I wish I had my purse on me because I would pull out a pack of this. I swear. Okay, let me find out MzTee really know me and she don't know me. That's crazy. Okay. You know what's crazy? I was just looking for one of these for my keychain. I don't even have my keys with me. Oh my god. I'm not lying, y'all. I was just looking for like one of these wristlets to put my car keys on. Thank you. This is cute. Look at it. It's like a purple and white marble pattern. Let me find out this is a pen. Oh my god. MzTee, you be listening to what I be saying. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh, that is gorgeous. Thank you. That's so cute. I can never find cute pens like this. Girl. MzTee trying to spoil me, okay? Look at this. Definitely gonna get used. Definitely like to keep these lips moisturized, okay? Yes. And we don't have this ever in our Dollar Tree. Ever. I don't, maybe they got it in Walmart or something like that, but they never have it in Dollar Tree. I usually see these in Dollar Tree. I'm not even dragging it. I'm so freaking happy, bro. I was just looking at somebody's and I think her name was like Castle, the Castle Lady. I don't mean to call you the Castle Lady, but I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. It's the Castle Princess. She always has like a whole bunch of cool little colorful things in her bag, but she had this and I wanted this so bad. And we do not have this in Wisconsin. We don't have, I haven't seen these ever out there in the Dollar Tree. So yes, love that. Bath and Body Works, okay. Watermelon lemonade. Definitely about to switch this on my bag because I got a hand sanitizer on my bag. I'll put this one in. Okay. We got. Okay, look, I'm about to hook my purse up. And I need this stuff on the train. Like, oh my god, I didn't want to open it before I left home because I just didn't have enough time, and I didn't want to, of course, not open it on the train. So I just waited till I got here to the room. I need these for real. And I'm gonna tell y'all something else before I open up. Show you guys something else really quick. Those items in like that I've seen you guys getting, like the light. I didn't know about the purse light. The purse girls put me on that, and I got that little circular. I don't know where's my purse at. I got the little. I'll show you guys in the purse video, but I got that little circular light, and I use that for everything on the train. Like I don't have a light on my little compact mirror, so I was using the light. Like I put the light up here, and I held the mirror, and it helped me because I had to put a little bit of makeup on because I was looking a little like it was gross. I was looking a hot mess, so I had to like kind of like dab a little makeup on and everything, but it helped. Then I ended up dropping the mirror all the way under the seat to where the passengers behind me they were sitting. It was like right near their feet, but I could still reach it. It took me a little minute to get up under there, but I used the flashlight, my purse light, and I was able to see and grab it quickly. But yeah, Let me get back to my package. Too cute. Too cute. Yes, ma'am. Definitely got some glasses that's gonna go in here. Yes, ma'am. This is cute. Tell me that's not cute. That is cute. That is cute. Oh, this goes to the keychain too, I believe. But this is a part of that keychain. Oh, this is cute. So cute. Y'all. I always need these because I'm always gonna have some nails on, some type of nails. Found my nails down. So this is good. Yes. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, look at this. It says Home Sweet Home. It's cute. This is cute. I guess I could put this on my my little purse or something like that. I see people put this on like their wristlets and stuff like that. That is cute. I don't have that, so I love it. I don't have little tissues like this. This is so cute. I love it. Miss T, listen, I feel so warm and just squishy inside. Like, oh my goodness. Like when I got it, like I said, I was like, oh my God, I just got some friend mail. I just got some friend mail. Wonder who it's from. You know, when you got kids, those get stuck in your head. Blue's Clues. This is really cute. Look at the winky eye. And then it has like little winky eyes. Yes, I love to write. All the girls like to write, right? Especially like if you work. Like, I mean, who doesn't work? I mean, could you survive without working? I don't know. But anyway, I love this for work. Just because sometimes I want to remember things, I need to write it down. Honestly, I like to write it down. I'm not even gonna lie. I really don't need to write it down, but I like to write it down. Miss T, do you think like me? Because I swear, you're gonna see this. So basically, you bought this for me, and I love it, love it, love it. But guess what? I got you this. I started the box. I started your gift bag or whatever, and this is in there. One of these there. Okay, I'm just so. I'm so happy. Oh, look at this. This is so freaking cute. Listen, I'm not dragging it, y'all. I'm not trying to act like I ain't never got nothing in life, okay? But this is special to me. This is really special to me. And I'm so glad that I decided to like put up my purse review. I feel like the purse girls are so nice. Like the purse queens. They are so nice. Like for real. It's other sectors in YouTube that are just so ratchet and ghetto, and I didn't want to be a part of that because, like, I might come off like that to some people, but I'm actually not. I'm very much not. So this is really cute. I thought this would come out, but it doesn't. It's just a clear pouch, and it's a card holder inside of it. This is really cute. I love it. This is different, actually. I've never seen anything like this. This is really cute. Miss T done hooked me up with the pens. Listen, I got some cute pens now, y'all. Okay? All right. So that is it. And yes, I just had to drop that in this video because that's so special to me. That she sent me something. She didn't have to send me anything. She didn't have to. She shows a lot of support, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm making this so long and drawn out, but I just really like she shows support. Like she really comments, and I don't know if she's looking at the whole video. I don't care if she's skipping through and whatever, but she shows me love, and I really appreciate that. And I swear, I went and I watched like as many of her videos as I could to show support back, and I honestly like her videos too. So, but when I'm sleeping, sometimes I let them play too because I just want to show her support back and just show her some love. But anyway, all right. I'm about to have fun with my little best friend. I just wanted to unbox that, which we'll open that up with you guys. My first little friend mail, okay? So, all right. Peace, because y'all know I'm finna keep rambling.